They have hard pine floors reclaimed, but they're in pretty bad condition and they have a lot of gaps. So what we did some samples with the PAK-Stop from Berger-Seidle as far as filler, wood filler, so the customers see they accepted to use this. We put some samples and they chose Jacobean. Also, we're gonna change all the vents to put flush mount vents. Pine floor. We have the setup for dustless, and we're gonna use this beast Tori ceramic from Bona. So this room is like 400 square feet. We already cleaned once. This will happen when you have pine. The belt will get a lot of the sap on it. And on the big machine we have the upper roller that is going to be clogged, so we need to take it apart and clean it and put it back. This is how the roller is. That makes the belt to slide out and is cutting on the
can't hold on to it.
This is how it looks after we rough it up. So we just went 36, but the pine's got a lot of sap, so it's very hard to remove the finish. That's why you have to go almost 30 degrees angle to make it flat. And also with the edger, we use 20 grit paper that normally will last for 1,000 square feet of a room, but only for the big room. Those are the papers and how they build up the rate. Normally when we sand a floor, we use one of those 36 belts for like 1,000 square feet. Over here we had to sand the pine, which is 1,200. So normally it would be like a belt. We had to use 5 36 belts and one that broke 6. And then for 60, we supposedly to use only like 1.5, and we use 5. And obviously this is 36, which for regular floor we don't do it. This is just for half of the 1,200 for the edger. Just to see the amount of material that you have to use when you sand something that's got a lot of sap, like pine. This is how it looks after we did 2 cuts. So now it's flat. And this is a preliminary work. Normally if it was new, we'd have started from this point.